Welcome to the Lawe Popo YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss what is warehouse management. Before we continue, please subscribe. First, warehouse management is the process of organizing, controlling, and optimizing warehouse operations. Its main goal is to ensure goods move smoothly from receiving to shipping. Warehouse management plays a critical role in supply chain performance. A well-managed warehouse reduces delays, errors, and operational costs. Inventory management is one of the core functions of warehouse management. Inventory management tracks how much stock is stored and where it is located. Accurate inventory prevents overstocking and stock shortages. Receiving is the first step in warehouse operations. During receiving, goods are checked, counted, and recorded. After receiving, products are stored in designated warehouse locations. Proper storage improves space utilization and picking efficiency. Picking is the process of selecting items for customer orders. Picking accuracy directly affects customer satisfaction. Packing ensures items are protected before shipping. Proper packing reduces damage during transportation. Shipping is the final step in warehouse operations. Fast and accurate shipping improves delivery performance. Pick, pack, and ship is the standard workflow in most warehouses. Each step must work together seamlessly to avoid delays. Warehouse management systems, or WMS, help control daily operations. WMS tracks inventory, orders, and warehouse activities in real time. Using WMS reduces human error and increases efficiency. Modern warehouses rely heavily on automation and software. Automation speeds up operations and improves accuracy. Data from warehouse operations helps management make better decisions. Good warehouse management supports business growth. Companies with efficient warehouses gain competitive advantages. In the next section, we will explore warehouse roles and best practices. Warehouse roles are divided into operational and managerial functions. Warehouse operators handle picking, packing, and material movement. Supervisors monitor productivity, safety, and daily performance. Warehouse managers plan layouts, processes, and resource allocation. Safety is a top priority in warehouse management. Clear aisles and proper signage help prevent accidents. Equipment, like forklifts, must be operated by trained personnel. Warehouse layout design affects speed and efficiency. Efficient layouts minimize travel distance for workers. Slotting places fast, moving items closer to picking areas. Technology improves visibility across warehouse operations. Barcode and RFID systems improve tracking accuracy. Real-time data helps prevent inventory discrepancies. Warehouse performance is measured using key metrics. Common metrics include order accuracy, cycle time, and inventory turnover. Continuous improvement keeps warehouse operations competitive. Lean principles help eliminate waste in warehouse processes. Standard operating procedures ensure consistency. Training improves worker performance and safety awareness. Good communication keeps teams aligned and productive. Warehouse challenges include labor shortages and rising costs. Automation helps warehouses overcome labor constraints. Scalable systems support business growth and peak demand. E-commerce has increased pressure on warehouse speed and accuracy. Fast fulfillment is critical for customer satisfaction. Returns management is also part of warehouse operations. Efficient returns handling reduces losses and delays. Sustainability is becoming important in warehouse management. Optimized warehouses reduce waste and energy consumption. Warehouse management continues to evolve with technology and innovation. Digital transformation is shaping the future of warehouse management. Cloud, Based WMS allows real-time access from anywhere. Artificial intelligence helps optimize picking routes and inventory levels. Predictive analytics helps warehouses prepare for demand changes. Robotics are becoming more common in modern warehouses. Human workers and robots collaborate to improve productivity. Flexible warehouse systems adapt to changing business needs. Data-driven decisions lead to better warehouse performance. Successful warehouse management requires people, process, and technology alignment. Small improvements can create significant operational impact. Warehouse management supports fast, accurate, and reliable order fulfillment. Efficient warehouses help businesses meet customer expectations. As demand grows, warehouse systems must scale efficiently. Continuous learning keeps warehouse teams competitive. Investing in warehouse management is investing in business success. Modern warehouses are key hubs in global supply chains. Understanding warehouse management helps professionals grow their careers. Warehouse knowledge is valuable across many industries. Thank you for watching and learning about warehouse management. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more supply chain content.